I'm gonna pick my weaker side to do first, okay? I generally like that as my progression. So we're gonna do left side plank. So you can do a plank from the knee, you can do a plank with your feet stacked, you can do plank with your feet staggered, whatever you want, okay? For this one here, we're gonna do some dips. So in whatever plank position you'd like to, you're gonna come on up in that side plank here, okay? And you're basically just gonna do a nice hip to the ground. You don't actually touch the ground, hip to the sky. So I'm just dropping a couple of inches down and then hiking my hips up a couple of inches higher, okay? So it doesn't have to be a gigantic movement, but basically just lower and raise. You're looking to feel a contraction in the oblique set down here and your hips. So keep your bum very tight. What I don't want you to do is have your butt back here. Keep your hips pushed forward, squeeze those butt cheeks, drop your hips and hike. We're gonna go for 10 reps, okay? So here we go. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so 10 hip hikes in your side plank position.